Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete your Gumtree account. So if you also want to delete your Gumtree account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.gumtree.com. Press enter. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Gumtree. Now if you want to delete your account, look at the top right corner. You can see several options over here: sell, messages and menu. All you have to do is click on the menu option. Now you can see several options over here. At fifth, you'll be able to see the option for my details. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to access your details. Scroll down. And under the account section, you can see option for deactivate your account. All you have to do is click on it. Now this kind of box will pop up. Here you'll have to select the reason why you're deactivating your account. You can see the reasons over here. I don't have any more stuff to put on Gumtree. I didn't get enough response to my ads on Gumtree. I got too many spam emails from my ads and other. Specify the reason. Now here you can see two options: send deactivation email and back to my details. All you have to do is click on the send deactivation email right over here. Now what you have to do is check your email. You can simply click on the Gmail option right over here if you're using Google Chrome. Now you can see over here Gumtree will send you an email. Click on it. Now in this email you can find a button for deactivate account. All you have to do is click on it. Now your Gumtree account is deleted. So that is how you delete your Gumtree account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.